Hi, I'm Jack from Make Me a DJ. I'm following on from our last video where we were doing acid sequences. We're just going to go ahead and do a little bit of processing on this. We're going to start off with an amp. We can scroll through some of the settings just to see what they're like. Quite like this bass one. We're going to turn the dry wet down slightly. From here we're going to go ahead and load some Overdrive. We're just going to tame this a little bit by pulling the drive and the tone back down, as well as the dry wet. And from here, to add a little bit of movement, we can go ahead and use Max for Live's LFO. We just need to map this to the filter on the Overdrive. That gives us our movement. We just need to set the settings to control that movement. We're going to turn it down to 6. And then from there, just tame these parameters a little bit just so it's not peaking so high. You can just move the filter around until we find the spot where we like. From here, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of delay. Tame the feedback and a little bit of the dry wet. We can continue to scroll through some of the different settings. Play with the cutoff just to see what that kind of effect gives us. And that helps give us some movement and a much more polished sound to our acid line.